Hello family, in this video we're going to be learning the step-by-step method on how to edit YouTube videos. So if you're yet to start a YouTube channel because you don't know how to edit a YouTube video, then this video is for you. On this channel I talk about lifestyle, I talk about personal development, and I teach. Yes. So if you want to learn video editing, I'm all here for you. Whatever you want to learn in mobile videography, I'm here for you. Well, just in case you don't know, I'm currently a certified mobile videographer. Yay. Okay, so I just graduated as a mobile videographer, and I'm super excited to be teaching that on my YouTube platform because I discovered that a lot of persons are yet to start a YouTube channel, either because they don't know how to edit videos. If your videos are not captivating and good enough, then your content, I don't know. But anyway, if you're new to this channel, join the family by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. But then if you want to learn anything video editing, this channel is for you. Join the family. Let's quickly hop into the software I use for editing. So I use only Capcut for my editing, video editing. So first thing first, before you start editing your video for YouTube, listen to me, for YouTube, not for Facebook, TikTok or Instagram. If you want to film your video for YouTube, place your phone like this. Place it on a tripod stand or a very stable surface. I'm not using a tripod stand, so it's not compulsory, girl. If you're just starting off a YouTube channel and you have surplus money to get gadgets to start your YouTube journey, then you can just start with whatever you have. With just your mobile device, you can start up a YouTube channel. Stop that procrastination and start today, okay? Don't use your front camera. Use your back camera. But just in case you feel like, I don't know if my face is properly positioned on the camera, this is what you're going to do to know. Once you place your phone on a flat surface, film yourself maybe 2 to 3 seconds. You go back, you stop the clip and watch the position of your face. So if your face is properly positioned on the camera, you can start all over again and continue with your filming. But if you go back and check, then you know, okay, I'm too much on the left or too much on the right or too much below or beneath. So you have to adjust yourself, start the clip again, continue recording yourself, go back, pause it until you get the right position. So you adjust your chair or wherever you're sitting or your camera position, adjust it properly to fit in your face or your body, as the case may be, however you want to appear on the camera. So once that is done, you can now start filming yourself. Mind you, for those of you that are shy, you're just talking to your camera, girl. There's no crowd in front of you. You're talking to your camera, you're looking at your camera. So why are you shy? Now your camera, you did look, girl. Your camera doesn't bite. So it's your business. So why should you be shy? I need to flog you. Yes. But in case you don't have a nice background, that shouldn't be a problem. I made a video on how to change your background. But take note, before you try to, after filming yourself, if you know from the beginning that you will be changing your background, then you should stay on a very plain surface, on a very plain background, sorry. If you don't have a plain background in your house, buy material. 1 yard. 1 yard is 500 naira currently. I don't know for your area. Maybe some places they might sell as low as 300, 400. But where I stay currently, 1 yard is 500. So once you get a yard of material, any color at all, preferably green or black. So you tie it behind you, sit in front, and you've gotten a plain background. So when you're done filming, you can change the background on your video. So I use Capcut Art, and there are a lot of things to play around with for your video to come out perfectly well. So let's dive into the video. So hopping into the Capcut app, let us edit the video I just filmed before I post it on YouTube. So this is me placing my green background, making sure that my face is proper. The first thing you need to do is cut out the part you don't want. So I'll be moving this cursor to this part I don't want. So this is where I started talking. Hello family. If you can see the split below on the left part of the video, what it does is to cut out the part you don't want on the video. So I'll be hitting the split, and I don't want this particular part of the video. So when I highlight on it by clicking on the first clip after splitting it, I'll go over to delete. You have delete on the right part of the video, so I will delete that particular clip. So what I would want to do next is highlight on the video, go over to retouch, and then face retouch over to, I want to like remove every blemish on my face, so I would increase this to 70. I'm okay with 70. And then go over to skin tone, and I love this almond, so I'll just make an adjustment. I like placing the warmth at 20 and the intensity, I love it at 50. So once I'm done, I quickly go back, and then this white teeth, you see the white teeth part, I just increase to 70 and apply to all. The apply to all is below. You confirm. Once you're done with that, you quickly go over to, I will not be removing the background on this video because I already made a video about that, so I wouldn't want this video to be too lengthy. So the next, I'll be cutting other part. The next I would do is go over to filter. You can play around this filter till you get the particular one you like. Okay, I think I love this hope. Yeah, this hope. Most times I use this open hay. So maybe I would use it and place the intensity at 70. Yeah, and then I click the check mark. If you want to add transitions to your video, transition is that smooth movement from one clip to another. All you have to do is create a division where you want to add that transition. So once you, by clicking on split, once you click on split, you see this minus sign in between the two videos you want to place transition, and you go head over to transition. So you can see various and numerous types of transitions. All you have to do is just try them out and see the one that best suits you. So let's try out this one, okay? And let's see. Hello. Okay, so let's play from this point. Hello family, I'm glad to see you. Okay, so that is that for that. So let's head over to the volume. If your voice is too low, all you have to do is click on the clip, go over to volume, increase or decrease. If it's too high, you decrease. If it's too low, you decrease. Hello family, I'm glad to see you once again in this episode. Until you get your desired volume. Maybe you filmed yourself like a lifestyle, you're moving towards somewhere and you don't want to use you want to use voiceover for that clip, and the clip is too lengthy, so you want to reduce it. All you do is click on the clip, go over to speed, click on normal and increase the speed duration. I like using 1.5 or 2.0. So what this does, it will shrink your video and once you click the check mark, it will shrink your video, and when you
And glad to
play
see you
it,
once
can you
again
see
in
it?
this episode, in this video. So, in this video,
So your clip will start moving faster, but that is not what I want to do on this clip. So I will quickly head over to backwards to remove it. So I'm just trying to take us through the step-by-step method on how to edit a video. So the next thing I'll be doing on this video is to cut out this part. You see this part I have on the right hand, the wall is showing, and I wouldn't want that to happen. So what I will do is click on the video, look for where you have transform. On my phone it's transform, so go over to crop and you crop it off, yeah, like that. Crop it off and place yourself properly at the middle of the video. Crop it till you get satisfied. Yeah, I'm satisfied with this. So one thing again I would love to tell us, all social media platforms have various ratios. What do I mean by ratios? When you go over to auto reframe here, scroll down, auto reframe, once you have split, speed, animation, style, delete, enhance voice, solid voice, cracking. So once you go over, you see before remove background, you see auto reframe. When you click that, you see this one with that is very long, that has TikTok icon. So when you want to make a video for TikTok, you click on it. Can you see it? Because I didn't place my
hello
phone
family, I'm glad to see you
on
once
portrait
again.
format, so it has cut off some part of the video to fit into TikTok frame. So if you want for Instagram, this one ratio one is for Instagram. If you watch properly, it's
Hello
still cutting
family,
off
I'm glad.
some part of my hand because I did not make the video for Instagram purpose. So if you go over for YouTube, it has occupied the entire frame because I kept my
Hello
phone
family,
on
I'm glad to
landscape
see you
mode.
once
So that
again
is it.
in this
If you want
episode.
to so that is that. If you want to film for any of the social media platform, you know how to place your phone. If you're filming for TikTok, you have to place your phone on portrait. If you're filming for Facebook, portrait. If you're filming for Instagram, portrait, and you come over here to adjust it. And only for YouTube channel that has this landscape format, please take note. So the next thing we'll be learning is, let's explore this adjust button. This adjust button gives it that feeling, I want to make it a little light, it's too dark. I think 10 is good. I go over to contrast. Usually I take my contrast -10, saturation -10, brilliance -10, yeah, -10. Then I take this sharpen to like 80. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Then this shadow I take it to -10. This temp, usually I take it to like 25. Yeah, the hue I take it to like 20, depending on how I like it. So I think I'm okay with it, and I click on apply to all clips. So once I've applied it to all clips, I click on the check mark. So I'm quickly going to head over to auto reframe again to make sure, sorry, to transform so I can crop my video. So yeah, I've cropped that part out, and you click on the check mark button here, and you're good to go. Place it properly on the center. Yeah, and you're good to go. If there's anything you want to learn more about video editing, in the comment section below, and I will take you through that. Video editing, this is something I learned for 3 months comprehensively, so it's not something I'm going to teach all of it today, but I'll be dropping tips on video editing on this platform. So quickly hop in, join the family, and let's learn together. If this video helped you and you learned a lot from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, join this amazing family, and learn more tips on video editing. I love you all. Bye. See you in my next video.